Welcome to my channel, Gosia R Home Cooking. Today I would like to show you how to make this delicious and very simple tiramisu cake with raspberry, and I hope you enjoy. For cake I need vanilla wafer, 2 mascarpone cheese to be 16 ounces, espresso coffee, chocolate and cacao, raspberry, sugar and 5 egg yolks. And let's go start it. First step, I will make mascarpone cream, egg yolks, 2 tablespoons of sugar. I use canned sugar, and let's go combine everything together. And you can see the egg yolks change color, is very light yellow color. So is next step I will combine with mascarpone cheese. Next step, mascarpone cheese. Perfect. And now I will combine this ingredient. You can see my mascarpone cream looks beautiful, nice and smooth. Next step, I will start with the syrup. First, I have 1 cup of coffee and 1 tablespoon of coffee liquor. Just combine everything. Very quick dip wafer in a coffee syrup on both sides like this, and I will make the first layer. Next step, mascarpone cheese. It will be the last layer. Just make this nice and smooth. I use the spatula. Next step, I put in the refrigerator for about 6 hours. After 6 hours, And the last layer is cocoa powder, very thick layer. Now I will decorate with raspberry, a little bit fresh mint. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this recipe, please comment, like, share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new video. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure to check them out. See you soon on my next episode. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego. Bye bye.